Okay.
You don't have to lean in. The camera's right there.
Hi everybody, what's going on? Thank you for watching the video. So by the very sexy, beautiful T-Rex has been taking over the live, well not the live, but taking over the vlogging and editing the videos. While
Nothing cool today. Nothing cool happened today, like Scooby-Doo booping the camera or anything. We just came here to get the new HHN merch drop. We got it. If you can, come and get it, because it is awesome.
It is. No, did you notice that the O is a Jason mask? Did you not notice that?
That's cool.
I love it.
All right. So that's gonna be it for this video. Well, so that's what we came in to get today. That's it. We ran in, trying to get out before it gets super hot. It's starting to get very humid.
Road drop.
Extremely humid. Yeah, I've never done rope drop at Universal. I didn't know what it was like. It was interesting to be part of the crowd.
Wasn't as busy as Disney's?
Yeah. But yeah, the sun's starting to come out. It's starting to heat up. That's it. Stay tuned if you want to see that.
I love you. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget I'm in the description.
I just got off work like 30 minutes ago. Ran over here because I got the new Jason merch for the HHN store. We're going to get that. That's what we're headed at. This store literally just opened. I've never been here before. That is not open. I've never here this early. If you haven't seen it yet, that movie is great. Just as good as the animated one. Animation's a little better, which is kind of funny to say because it's both animated. It's all CGI, but it was really good. It's how a live action remake should be. Almost shot for shot. Look at the glowing sunlight coming through. Like y'all should know by now, my favorite AC shortcut. Made it through my shortcut, walking by Voodoo Donuts, which isn't even open yet. Wow, I've really never here this early. Yeah, had to rush over here. We're getting the new merch, and then I gotta head home and go to bed. Perks of working third shift. Ever seen the entrance this empty? With the sun out?
No, I don't think I've ever seen it.
Well, we accidentally got here too early. This is definitely a first for us. Park's not open till 9 o'clock. I thought it was 8. And it doesn't do early admission here. That's only at Islands. I thought it was here. I had a brain fart. She's not happy because I woke her up. They're letting people in early. I didn't know they did that. So we're in line now. Cupcake chose the correct line. She's already going through. We're stuck waiting. We're in the park. I didn't think they did early. Or are they just letting people probably so the line doesn't build up over there, because it looks like people are waiting up here. So they may still have sections sectioned off. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're just stopping everybody from waiting outside at the entrance. So you don't get in early, you get to come through and not wait outside of the park early. So this is the actual rope drop. That's just to get in. Interesting. First time I've done this, even though I've been here 6 years. They're letting the mob through. Rope drop. This is fun. I've never been a part of this. They do this every day? It's interesting. Unique. If only they had the characters out already, that'd been cool. If you're a part of this live, say hi.
Hi.
And comment something. We are rushing to get to the merch. I wish I would have been here yesterday. Drops. The HHN merch drop is usually the first Thursday of every month leading up to HHN. Well, because it was Friday the 13th and they're doing the Jason house, They dropped it yesterday. And I found out right as I was laying down to go to bed. I was not happy. But enough about that. Here it is. Oh, that's nice. They got a big display to show you what it actually looks like, instead of having to look at the little one. This is the mug. Focus. It is $20. It smells like HHN fog in here. I love it. And this is the shirt. T-shirt is $33. That's the back. I still haven't changed this yet, and I wonder how often the face is. Every HHN, there it is. Every drop when I'm here, I gotta show the face. I think it's cool. But that is going to be everything. So I got this. It's gonna be the new one that goes right there, obviously, and it is $8. Eventually you'll be able to get all of them. Well, we got everything. I think our annual pass officially paid for itself today. I've never bought this much before. But everybody got what they wanted. And yeah, I think I got everything and then a few extras. So what do you think? Annual pass paid for itself today with the discounts, huh?
Yep. Sure did.
Because that's a lot of bags, and she has some back there. All right, we were going to ride stuff, but everything fitting into each and every person's bag. We have so many, I do not want to fight to even ride Transformers, and there's no way we can go on Rip Ride Rocket and fit everything in a locker, so we're just gonna head out. I gotta go to sleep anyway, so let's head out. I just told them that we're not riding a ride, because obviously too many bags to fight with on Transformers. There's no way I'm going to even try to ride Rip Ride Rocket and fit everything in a locker, because this would be like 8 lockers.
He doesn't love me.
So now we're gonna head out.
Boo.
Well, the Gears of War beta is up live, so I get to go play that, at least 1 or 2 matches. Now I'm pumped to go. I get to play Gears of War on PlayStation. Who would have ever thought they could say that? I'm going to play Gears of War on PlayStation. I know, this is not theme park content, but I'm honestly really geeked out over that. I love Gears of War. But yeah, all right, back to the topic. Merch got, let's head out. There's Rip Ride Rocket dropping. We're literally leaving right as it's starting to heat up because the sun's coming out. It was comfortable before, but now it's starting to heat up.
It's still comfortable.
Not when you're in the okay. When you're in the shade, it's still comfortable. As soon as you're out of the shade, it's hot already.
Yep.
It's already super humid from the weather. So yeah. She's back there somewhere, slow like always. What do you guys say? If I was coming here as a guest, like normal, staying at the hotel or whatever, or just coming to stay the whole day, this would be awesome coffee. To wake up, see the globe, walk through here, head straight to Rip Ride Rocket over there. It'd be really fun. One day soon, I want to do that. We're going to get a hotel, one of the Universal hotels. I've actually never stayed at them. We always stay at Disney's. I want to do that, stay at the hotel, take the boat over here because it's cool. We're going to come and stay all day. I want to be a guest. I want to be a tourist for a day. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment if you're excited for the Jason house with HHN. Let me know if you want to get this shirt or not, because it's really cool and they're already running out of sizes. But that's gonna be it for today. Bye.